Hey there friends, thanks for checking in at SHOT Show 2019, and I'm at the Rex booth where we are featuring the Rex Delta. This is one of the guns that I really wanted to check out. I saw a couple videos that were posted overseas. Now they're going to make their way to the US, and this is more than your typical Wonder 9. First off, it is a polymer frame, 9mm gun, does hold 15 rounds in the mag. You can check out that grip there, a little different. Nice firm grip there, and it also has some unique cuts in the slide, both front serrations and rear serrations. Also a striker fire indicator, but the thing I want to focus on is the trigger, because it is pretty nice. Breaks between 5.5 and 6 pounds, but it has a trigger bar safety in there. But upon the pull, you hit a wall, a little bit more pressure, very nice and crisp, and your reset is right there, very audible as well. Also has some slide cuts in, maybe you'll be able to pick it up this way. Has a 4-inch barrel, a loaded chamber indicator, striker fire indicator, blacked out rear sights, dot in the front, and a nice overall feel to it. I'm looking forward to getting this. 15 rounds in the magazine, and the unloaded weight is just under 20 ounces, so it's a lightweight Eric's Arms Rex Delta, and I'm excited. This is one of the guns that I came to see. But one of the things I also want to mention is that it has a different disassemble process, something that is unique. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to get one of the guys over here to do it. Let's check that out.
Okay, so the Rex Delta, disassembly very simple. So you can see here that even if I have a cocked, the striker is cocked, I can disassembly without depressing the trigger. So it's very easy. Put it like this, pull it forward, and lifting up. So from now on, you have a spring guide, which is captured, and the barrel, of course. Everything is very simple, and assembly, same thing. You just put it up, lock it back, and you're good to go.
So there it is, the Rex Delta. Cannot wait to get this in my hands. I will be reviewing this and taking it to range and seeing everything that it can do. If it's anything like the Rex 01, I'm sure it'll be one fine handgun. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.